This mini cultivator from Powerhorse glides through rows with ease, making it a master of weeding, fertilizing, and mixing soil. Its small size, lightweight, drag stake, and adjustable 7-inch wheels make it easy to maneuver through rows without damaging plants. It features a 10-inch tilling width with 4 7-inch hardened steel tines for strength and durability. A reliable 43cc Viper engine drives a 250 RPM tine rotation for powerful tilling and cultivating. It features low vibe grips for added comfort with foldable handles for easy storage. Get more tilling and cultivating power with this lightweight and powerful mini cultivator from Powerhorse.